Ladies and gentlemen, we will be presenting the second part of this course with the theme The Psychology of Sound, the beneficial implication of guided imagery and sounds for mental relief. About us, we are the team from Germany consisting of Laura Lungu, professional violinist and musicologist, orchestra and recording manager with international career, music teacher and therapist through music and sound. And Radu Nagy, classically trained cellist with 50 years of experience in several areas like orchestra playing, chamber music, improvisation, composition, teacher and therapist. And myself, Miruna Nagy, professional harpist trained in therapy through sound healing at the Akademie für Musikheilkunde und Harfe in Germany. Composer, teacher and therapist through sound and music.